This conference will now be recorded.
It is visible to us, sir.
Sir, yes, sir. I'm sharing the video, sir. This is the video which we have done for the WhatsApp group forward, and also that the Vijayanagaram people, the district of Vijayanagaram, Andhra Pradesh, we are sharing this video so that everyone will go through this video and they'll get the basic idea. And this is not only for the Telugu but also Hindi and English people also. This has. So I'm just playing the video now. Sir,
Sir, audio is not visible.
audio
Jyoti
is not
madam?
visible. Okay, sir. Sir, I'll play in separately, sir. Audio.
No. Okay, sir. Yeah. Or if not
Yes.
else, you can do one thing, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can
I'll play
connect
the video and side by side I'll play the audio, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So just a second, sir.
Assistant NSS Program Officer from Maharashtra Medical Science, Vijayanagaram, Andhra Pradesh. University along NSS unit has conducted a program called Each One Reach One COVID Mission, and our WIMS Medical College has actively participated in the program. Under the guidance of our Dean Sir, Dr. Lakshmi Kumar, we have sent student volunteers to various communities of Vijayanagaram and told them to spread awareness for the COVID-19 infection. And this was simplified by the simple mnemonic, which is our college name itself, Maharaj Institute of Medical Science, MIMS, M-I-M-S, MIMS. So here each alphabet denotes for the first alphabet M for mask. Mask is very much compulsory, everyone has to wear mask. Second alphabet is I. I means immunization. Vaccination has to be taken by every person in the community. And the last alphabet S stands for social distancing and sanitizers use. Now you all will be wondering, I have missed alphabet M in the middle. Why didn't I tell that? I'm coming to that. M in the middle stands for me, you, and everyone. That means that these other protocols, mask and all immunization, those has to be followed by everyone in the community. Then only the COVID-19 infection can get controlled. In the end, I want to say, stay safe. Thank you.
We also made some parts so that they'll understand the severity of the COVID infection. So some of our students are telling in different languages regarding the importance of vaccine.
వ్యాక్సినేషన్ వేయించుకోవడం వల్ల మన బాడీలో యాంటీబాడీస్ అనేవి ఉత్పత్తి అవుతాయి. ఇలా మన శరీరాన్ని మనం ముందుగానే సిద్ధం చేసుకుంటాం. కరోనా వైరస్ మనకి అటాక్ అయినప్పుడు ఈ యాంటీబాడీస్ కరోనా వైరస్ వైరస్ మధ్య యుద్ధం జరుగుతుంది. ఇలా మనం వ్యాక్సినేషన్ ద్వారా మనల్ని మనం కరోనా వైరస్ నుంచి చనిపోకుండా కాపాడుకుంటాం. ఇంకా వ్యాక్సినేషన్ 2 రకాలు ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటి కోవాక్సిన్, ఇంకోటి కోవిషీల్డ్. ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏదైనా వేసుకోవచ్చు. 2 డోసులు మాత్రం ఖచ్చితంగా వేసుకోవాలి. वैक्सीन వేయించుకుందాం, కరోనాని జయిద్దాం.
अभी ये टीका 18 वर्ष से सभी लोगों के लिए उपलब्ध है। ये टीका हमारे शरीर को कोविड वायरस से लड़ने के लिए प्रस्तुत करती है और भविष्य में अगर कोई इन्फेक्शन हो तो उससे लड़ने के लिए और उस बीमारी को एक भयंकर और जानलेवा मोड़ लेने से रोकने में भी बहुत मदद करती है।
COVID-19 అనేది డ్రాప్లెట్ బోర్న్ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్. ఇన్ఫెక్ట్ అయిన వ్యక్తి మాట్లాడినప్పుడు, తుమ్మినప్పుడు, దగ్గినప్పుడు వచ్చే గాలిలో ఉన్న తుంపర్ల వల్ల స్ప్రెడ్ అయ్యే ఇన్ఫెక్షన్. ఈ మాస్క్ డైలీ మనం పెట్టుకోవడం వల్ల, ఒకవేళ మాస్క్ పెట్టుకోవడం వల్ల ఇన్ఫెక్ట్ అయిన వ్యక్తి మాట్లాడినా, తుమ్మినా, దగ్గినా ఈ మాస్క్ మనల్ని ఆ వైరస్ నుండి రక్షిస్తుంది. మనం ప్రధానంగా చేసే మిస్టేక్ ఏంటంటే మాస్క్ ఇలా పెట్టుకున్న మాస్క్ గాలి ఆడట్లేదని చల్లగాలి కోసం ఇలా తీస్తాం. ఇలా తీయడం వల్ల మెడ అనేది ఈ వైరస్ కి ఎక్స్పోజ్ అవుతుంది. మళ్ళీ ఇలా తీసి పెట్టుకోవడం వల్ల ఈ వైరస్ నోటి నుండి, ముక్కు నుండి
Even our students have demonstrated yoga also to different community people.
सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए सोए नहीं कई रातों से मुझे जब देखेंगे तुझे
In the end, our Honorable Dean Sir will give the message to the people of Vijayanagaram.
అందరికీ నమస్కారము. ఈరోజు ప్రపంచమంతా కరోనా వైరస్ తో చాలా ఇబ్బందులు పడుతోంది. కొన్ని కోట్ల మంది రోగపీడితులయ్యారు. కొన్ని లక్షల మంది ప్రాణాలు పోగొట్టుకున్నారు. అందులో తల్లులు, తండ్రులు, పిల్లలు, పెద్దలు అందరూ దీనివల్ల ఇబ్బంది పడి ప్రాణాలు పోగొట్టుకొని జీవితాలు తలకిందులయ్యాయి. ఒక వేవ్ అయిపోయింది, 2వ వేవ్ అయిపోయింది, 3వ వేవ్ వస్తుంది అంటున్నారు. అది ఇంకా భయంకరంగా ఉంటుంది అంటున్నారు. అది ముఖ్యంగా చిన్నపిల్లలను ఎక్కువగా చాలా ఇబ్బంది పెట్టే వైరస్ గా డెల్టా ప్లస్ అని అది రికార్డ్ అయినది. ఈ విషయంలో మనం ముందుగా పోతే మన ప్రజలకి, మన సొసైటీలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి మనం డాక్టర్లుగా ఉండి వాళ్ళని ప్రబోధం చేసి వాళ్ళు ఎటువంటి ముందు జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకుంటే ఈ విషయంలో వాళ్ళు ప్రాణాలు కాపాడుకుంటారనేది మనందరి బాధ్యత. అందుకు గాను మన విద్యార్థులందరూ మిమ్స్ కాలేజీ నుంచి సొసైటీ నలుదిక్కులకి వెళ్ళి మాస్క్ వల్ల ఎంత ప్రాధాన్యత ఉంది, సోషల్ డిస్టెన్స్ వల్ల ఎంత ప్రాధాన్యత ఉంది, శానిటైజేషన్ ఫ్రీక్వెంట్ గా చేసుకోవడం ఎంత ప్రాధాన్యత ఉన్నది వాళ్ళకి వివరించి మరీ వాళ్ళకి హత్తుకునే విధంగా చెప్పిన వల్ల మనం వాళ్ళ ప్రాణాలు కాపాడిన వాళ్ళు అవుతాము. ఎందుకంటే సమాజంలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కొంతమంది దీనిని చాలా లైట్ గా తీసుకుని ఏముందులే మనకు రాదులు అనుకునే వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు. వాళ్ళ గురించి మనం ఎక్కువగా జాగ్రత్త పడాలి. వారు వీరని లేకుండా దీని గురించి వేరే ఆలోచన లేకుండా మన విద్యార్థులందరూ మారుమూలైన విలేజ్లకి వెళ్ళి అక్కడున్న వాళ్ళందరికీ వాళ్ళకి అర్థమయ్యే రీతిలో హావభావాలతో కానీ రకరకాల పిక్చర్స్ తో కానీ చూపించి వాళ్ళు చేయాల్సిన 3 పనుల గురించి మాత్రం శ్రద్ధగా చెప్పండి. ఒకటి మాస్క్ వేసుకోవడం, ఎలా వేసుకోవాలనేది, 2 డిస్టెన్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయడం. ఇంతకు ముందు మనిషికి స్నేహితుడుగా ఉండేవాడు, ఇప్పుడు మనిషికే శత్రువు అయిపోతున్నాడు. 3 అడుగుల దగ్గరికి లోపలికి వచ్చాడంటే మనిషే శత్రువు అవుతున్నాడు. కాబట్టి మినిమం 3 to 6 feet మెయింటెనెన్స్ డిస్టెన్స్ చూడండి. మాస్క్ వేసే పద్ధతి చెప్పండి. తర్వాత చేతులు శానిటైజర్ చేసుకొని ఆ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ చేతుల ద్వారా లోపలికి పోకుండా ఉండే విధంగా వాళ్ళకి వాటి జాగ్రత్తలు చెప్పి, మెలకువలు చెప్పి వాళ్ళ ప్రాణాలు కాపాడే బాధ్యత మీరు తీసుకుంటారని ఆశిస్తూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాను.
Sir,
Wonderful.
that was the presentation, sir.
Wonderful, Dr. Vinayak Bhatt sir from the
Thank you.
Maharaja Institute of Medical Sciences, Vijayanaram. You
Yes.
yourself, under the leadership and guidance of Honorable Dean sir, taken a many services and students participated very well. And your service and contribution in this pandemic is unforgettable, sir. Great
Thank you,
service,
sir.
great initiative, sir. Wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Great.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Thank
Thank you so much, Dr. Vinayak Bhatt sir.
you. Thank you, sir.
Now I welcome Dr. Jyoti madam from Alvas Institute of Naturopathy, Alvas Naturopathy College from Bangalore, Karnataka.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, I'm not able to share the screen here, sir.
Yes, now you can share, madam.
Yes, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Visible, madam.
Visible, sir?
Visible, madam.
Okay, sir. So this is a report on coronavirus awareness program which was conducted at Todar, Tengamijar and Handel, conducted by Alvas College of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences for 10 days from 19th June to 28th June in association with Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education, Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India. So these are the contents, institutional details, daily documentation, list of faculty members and students participated, and a small conclusion. So name of our institution is Alvas College of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences. This is institution addresses. Our college is in Mangalore, Dakshina Kannada, Karnataka. Our principal name is Dr. Vanita Shetty. Name of the faculty coordinator who participated in this program is myself, Dr. Jyoti KV. So this is Alvas. This is about our Alvas Education Foundation. This was founded by Dr. Mohan M. Alva in the year, just a second, sir. In the year 1998, presently offering 28 UG and 21 PG courses. It has 20 educational institutions with more than 20,000 students. So our Alvas College of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences comes under this Alvas Education Foundation. Alvas College of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences was a dream vision of our chairman, Dr. M. Mohan Alva. This college was established in the year 2003. It is recognized by Government of India, Department of Ayush and Central Council of India, New Delhi, affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bengaluru, Karnataka. This is regarding our college. At present, we have 469 UG students and 18 PG students studying in our institution. This is the photo of our institution, logo of our institution. So this is the daily documentation what we have done for a 10 days program starting from 19th June to 29th June. The activity was regarding the COVID-19 awareness. Number of students participated were 6. This is about a detailed daily documentation. We made a group of 6 students participated in this program and we made it a 6 team. Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, Team 4, Team 5, and Team 6. On day 1, 19th June, Team 1 collected information of 57 members, Team 2 about 49 members, Team 3 about 54 members, Team 4 about 55 members, Team 6 about Team 5 about 53 members, and Team 6 about 59 members. On total, on day 1, we had 327. We collected information about 327 members. On day 2, also about 327 members. Day 3, we had 336 members. Day 4, 345 beneficiaries. Day 5, 322 beneficiaries. Day 6, 339. Day 7, 334. Day 8, 339. Day 9, 325. Day 10, 326. On total, we collected information of 3,320 members. Total number of students participated was 6, and the faculty member was 1 person. These are the list of students who participated in our program. So in this COVID-19 awareness, in this COVID-19 awareness program, the faculty coordinator and the student who participated in this visited each and every houses of Todar, Tengamijar, and Handel, took details of every family members, asked for their history of complaints, if they had any disease, symptoms, if they were taking any medications, all those lists were taken. And we also asked them if they had any fever, cold, cough, or any other symptoms. Pulse oximeter and temperature reading were also noted. And what we did here was we advised them regarding the importance of personal hygiene, the importance of hand washing techniques, the techniques of wearing mask, importance of social distancing, and we also told them about some lifestyle modifications that has to be made, like which includes immunity improving food, like including vitamin C rich food like lemon, gooseberry, oranges, etc., dry fruits, and drinking plenty of water, etc. We told them the importance of yoga and pranayama, and for 21 days we conducted free yoga and pranayama online session for all these members. We also guided them and promoted them regarding the importance of COVID-19 vaccination. So this COVID awareness camp was conducted in our institution with the blessing and support and motivation of our beloved chairman, Dr. Mohan M. Alva, under the guidance of our managing trustee, Mr. Vivek M. Alva, under the leadership of our beloved principal, Dr. Vanita Shetty, Dean of Division of Yoga, Dr. Brinda Badekar, and our administrative officer, Dr. Prajna M. Alva. These are the students who participated in this: Jyoti, Shaini, Meenakshi, Sridhar, and Arya. All these are UG student interns, and we have one PG student who participated in this, was Dr. B. Balagovind. Thank you, sir. That's it, sir. And I have attached few photos here. These are the photos of the survey what we have done. And this is regarding the yoga, online yoga sessions, what we conducted, free online session for the public. Yes, sir, that's it, sir.
Great contribution, madam. Dr. Jyoti, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving us an opportunity, sir, for this conducting this program.
So it's a great contribution with the vision of the honor institution chairman. Really, you are doing a great support and contribution in the pandemic. Great, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you. It's really great, madam. Now,
Thanks.
yes, good, madam. Now I welcome Dr. Prashanti, madam, from Sanskriti School of Business, Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, madam.
Sir, shall I start my presentation, sir?
Yes, madam, you can start.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. My screen is visible, right, sir?
Yes, madam, your screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So good evening everyone. I'm E. Prashanti, Associate Professor in Sanskrit School of Business, Puttaparthi. So today I would like to give a brief report on each one reach one COVID mission. For this program we have given the name Sahaya, SSB Helping Hands. So this was conducted in the association with Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education, Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India. So it is something related to community engagement, creating awareness and helping to the needy. So which is very important in this present situation. And this was done by our students C. Hemakumar, K. Upendra, Dasari Eriswamy, B. Ramanjnelu, J. Anusha. This is about our institution details. Name of the institution is Sanskriti School of Business, and our college is located in Puttaparthi, Anantapur district. Name of the principal is Dr. Balakotishwari ma'am. Under her guidance, we have done this program, and the faculty coordinator is myself, E. Prashanti, and student coordinator is Hema Kumar. I would like to give a brief introduction about our college. Sanskriti School of Business was founded in 2010 by Mr. Vijay Bhaskar Reddy in rural regions of Puttaparthi, and which was completely driven by his endeavor to develop the rural youth. SSB was established to be a forerunner in the development and creation of future management leaders. We are diverse, welcoming, accepting, and passionate about being the best we can be. Our campus is located in the midst of vast open spaces with more than its share of flora and fauna. We create an ideal environment for our students to exercise their thoughts and creativity, and our faculty is also well qualified, and they are going to play various roles like guide, role model, and friends to our students. And we have a separate club like ED, HR club, marketing club, finance club, NSS club, Green Campus committee to encourage students in innovation, thinking out of the box, and in implementing the best ideas. And we'll bring up their ideas and we'll implement it. This is something about our college. And we have taken this activity, which was suggested by MGNCR, for 20 days. So day-to-day activities I have taken here with a brief description. On the Here I have mentioned the dates. It was started on July 8th, and it was continued till 28th July 2021. First day our students went to the people who are supposed to get vaccinated, and they inquired about their vaccination, and almost they have contacted nearly they have inquired 24 old people on the first day. Next, to boost up the mental ability and physical strength of students during this pandemic time, we have conducted online yoga classes on every Saturday. That was still continuing, and these are the photos which I have taken for 3 Saturdays which we have done in this duration on 10th July, 17th July, and 24th July. And our students have initiated and they have started thanksgiving to our doctors who supported during this pandemic. And it is they have they found it like it is a time for them to thank our doctors heartfully for their service what they have done in this situation. So regarding this, they have given plants trees to the doctors. And vaccination awareness, complete related to vaccination awareness, they have filled the notice boards with awareness papers, and they have created awareness about the importance of vaccination, particularly in the college for the students. And they have created some posters, and they have circulated that in the groups, in their family groups, students groups, and in the college groups also. This is how they have promoted the activity by maintaining social distancing. And this was done on 13th July. For few people, for few poor people, they distributed rice in 3 different areas: Puttaparthi local, near Super Speciality, and in Gorentla. This was done on 14th July, 18th July, and 26th July. they met their neighbors and they asked about their well-being, and this was done on 15th July. Personally, they went and they inquired about their well-being, and they have distributed masks on 16th July. And again, they have continued vaccination awareness program to the old people, and they have provided details. They inquired about the vaccination, where exactly they can get the vaccination through volunteers, and they have given the volunteers numbers to the old people. If and some people, some students have taken the old people to the nearest healthcare centers, and they get vaccinated also. And they have taken care of elderly neighbors who are residing exactly to their houses. They have taken care, and they provided they have given their numbers, personal numbers, to the people, and they asked them to call in emergency, and they saved their numbers in the emergency numbers, if we press 1 in the phone, directly it will come to our student numbers. That is how they have taken care of the elderly people in emergency also. They told that we will be available, you can call them at any time. So that is how they have supported to their neighbors who are particularly elderly people, and helping homeless people. They have provided food, mask, and tablets for them, so who will be there on the roadside. That was done on 22nd July. And corona supplements were given to the people who are there in the college, like housekeeping people and drivers. They have provided some tablets to the people who are working for the college, particularly housekeeping staff and our drivers, cleaners. They have provided vitamin C, zinc, calcium, paracetamol tablets, which are very necessary in this situation, so this can boost their immunity and to save them from corona. So this is the same activity which they have done on 21st July. So they have provided required information to the elderly people. Same thing, they have taken care of surrounding persons who are in need, particularly if their children are far away from them, they have given their numbers and they ask them to call them back. So in one day, they thought that in one day they cannot meet all the people, so they have on daily basis they met 2 to 3 elderly people. They have created vaccination awareness video, and they posted in the social media as well as in the WhatsApp groups to create the awareness. And these are the activities what they have done. And on behalf of our students and our faculty, and from our management side and from our principal, Dean Academics, we would like to thank MGNCR for creating such an innovative idea to involve students to support the people who are particularly in the need. This is a great opportunity for us to help the needy people in this pandemic time by providing food, mask, medicine, rice, vaccination, sanitizers, and to help them in their daily activities. And it is really a great pleasure for us to work with MGNCR. And they have done and they have created vaccination awareness through social media by posting in WhatsApp groups, and they have posted each and everything what they have done related to the awareness in the college groups, family groups, friends groups, particularly in the WhatsApp. In this situation, values, emotions, bonds, relationship played a very crucial role that was really identified by our students. So they connected with the old people to help them to complete their daily activities. So this is something about our college report. It is a great learning for our students. Even on behalf of them, I would like to thank you, sir, for giving a great opportunity. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sai Kumar Kiran, sir.
Nice. Dr. Prashant, madam, it's a great contribution from your institution. I also convey my regards to the Dr. Balakoteshwari, madam, principal. Really, it's a great learning opportunity for the students, entire Sanskrit School of Business students. Really,
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, madam, with your permission, can I take one snapshot, madam?
Yes, sir. Shall I on my video, sir? Actually, I forget to on my video.
Okay. Jyoti madam, also convey my thanks and regards to Dr. Pragna madam, Administrative Officer of Alvas Homeopathy and Naturopathy College, and also I remember Dr. Kirti madam. No, Jyoti madam, you are on mute. Your device is on mute.
Sure, sir. Sure. I did not see this, sir. Sure, sir. I'll convey your regards to them, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Prashanti madam. Thank
Thank you so
you.
much, sir.
Happy to meet you after a long time.
Thank-
Nice.
Yes. Thank you,
Hope
sir.
see looking forward by God's grace meet in offline.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Jyoti madam, and once again thank you, Dr. Prashanti madam. Officially,
Thank you,
we
sir.
are,
Thank you so much, sir.
we are closing the session.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.